airplanes, guns, and money.
This thing's going to get done by the CIA, and it's going to get done quietly.
You have authority to do this?
None whatsoever.
Drink.
Oh, I love any kind of whiskey.
We don't have alcohol in the presidential residence.
Bet a lot of people make that mistake.